Simple Jaiswal here, and this is a new year, starting of the new year. We're already 10 days into it. So I understand you all would have taken some New Year resolutions. It's a common practice. हम लोग कुछ New Year resolutions बनाते हैं, but by the time we reach February and March, those resolutions die down. So today I'm going to talk to you about something more powerful than these New Year resolutions, because the very objective why we make the resolution is we want to achieve something in life. Everybody wants success in their life. So I'm going to talk about a very powerful practice called as goal setting. Okay, so if you are working in an organization, goal setting is not new to you. You set the goals for your role that you're playing in the organization. You decide what are the deliverables for the year. But how many of us actually do the goal setting for our personal life? Not many of them, I'm sure. Because I personally didn't do the goal setting till 4 years back. But ever since I've started focusing on doing this goal setting meticulously every year, I have seen it has given me tremendous results. So if I set at least 10 goals, I would be able to achieve more than that. Because goal setting is going to give me a lot of focus. So I understand that these 12 months, these are the things I need to focus on. It helps me to gives me a direction as to where do I put my energy into. So it gives me a lot of clarity. So we all think about plans. We all think that we have to do certain things this year. We have to travel to certain places this year. I may have to give a competitive exam this year. I may want to complete certain certifications this year. I want to go for my dream job this year. I'm awaiting a promotion this year. So we all have some plan or the other for the year. As life goes, every year we want something in life. We have a lot of aspirations. We want to get success in life. But these are plans. If these are only like thoughts in your mind, they actually vanish, because every day we get 60,000 thoughts every day in our mind. And it is so difficult for you to remember them. Unless until you write down these goals, they will just vanish. And these goals, if they are not written, and if it is not with a plan, it is just a wish, it is just an idea, which does not have any energy, which does not talk about any commitment towards the goal. So it's important that to have a proper focus, have a proper direction, have more clarity as to what you want from your life. It's very important that you do goal setting. Right? Tony Robbins says, goal setting is the first step to make the invisible into visible. So whatever we are thinking here, we are trying to convert that into visible, at least on paper when we are writing it down. So having understood the importance, why we should have the goals for our personal life, let us also see what are the areas of life in which we need to set the goals. Like as I said, for the career, everybody sets the goal. You have plans for career, that you want to go for a dream job, you have to appear for certain interviews, you have to give certain exams. But there are more areas besides career. So there are health-related goals. There will be relationship goals. What is that relationship that you want to work on this year? Because finally, when you achieve success and your relations are not with you, it is an empty success. So what do you want to do to bring that focus into your relationships? What do you want to do in terms of what is that for your learning goal that you're deciding? What kind of certifications, what training programs, what books you want to read? What are your learning goals? What are your career goals? What are your money goals? So money is certainly very important in life. So what are your money goals in terms of what is the bank balance? What are the kind of earnings that you're looking for? What are the source of income that you have? What is the bank balance you want to have? What is that you're aiming for? Accordingly, you will plan out your investments, your savings, your earnings. So that is about the money goal. Then materialistic goal talks about what are those things which you want to buy, those things which you want to get for yourself. So it could be your house, it could be your car, it could be jewelry, it could be accessory, anything that brings you comfort which you can buy from money. So that is your materialistic goal. Right? Then comes your recreation goals. So along with your work, recreation is equally important. So for recreation, there could be some travel plans or some ways of bringing that recreation into your life, some hobbies you want to pursue. These may not be important, but these give you a lot of satisfaction. So any hobby that you want to pursue this year, anywhere you want to travel, so that comes under recreation. Then very important one is charity goals. We would do some kind of donations or some charity, but that's not really planned. But as a conscious effort, you should have this charity goal for yourself. So either you could do some kind of donations or join an NGO where you can support as a volunteer, or do anything that which comes in your capacity. Because this is also an important aspect of a person's life. You keep on receiving from the society, and you also need to give back. Because only when you give back to society, only when you start giving, you receive more. Because your vessel becomes full, if you do not give back, your vessel will be full and you will not get any more. So it's very important that you have this charity goal also as your important goal for this year. So basically there are 8 areas where you need to set your goals. I will just put that in a slide separately so that you do not miss out. So at least for all the areas you can have one goals for this year. So now having understood why you want to set a goal and what are the areas, in the second part of this video I will talk to you about how do we set the goals, what is the process to follow, and after setting the goals, how do we achieve the goals. Okay, so till then I would request you to at least take a pen and paper and start writing as to what you want from your life in this year, next 5 years, next 10 years. So just start writing as to what all that you want from your life. It will give you a lot of clarity. The moment you start thinking, you start brainstorming, it will give you a lot of clarity, and just write it down, and then we will come to it as to how do you write the goals, how do you refine those goals. Thank you.